Welcome to the Workbench. I'm Doug. If you've purchased a baby lock machine, you're aware that it comes with a lot of feet and attachments, as well as optional feet that you may have purchased. But if you start to use that foot and can't find the instruction sheet, you may have difficulty. So I got a tip for you. You can head over to the Baby Lock website and type in the name of the foot, if you know it, or you can enter the name of your machine. You can even browse different feet that can be used with your machine so you can match the picture with what you have. Click on the name of the foot, and once you've got it, go to Manuals and print out the instructions. That was easy. Don't let anything keep you from getting your projects completed. And now that you know, get out and sew.